So let us see one more problem based on trigonometric identities, and let us see what the problem is. So here we need to show that sine theta. So here sine theta by cot theta plus cosecant theta equal to 2 plus sine theta by cot theta minus cosecant theta. We need to prove that. But see the students, we need here in this problem there is a small rearrangement. We need actually we have to take LHS part and we need to obtain RHS part for the given problem. But here you shouldn't take LHS part as it is. After doing some rearrangement of the terms, rearrangement of the expressions from this side to that side, okay, then we can take LHS part and then we can prove it. Just see here, this is actually sine theta by what is given, this one. Now do rearrangement here, sine theta by cot theta plus cosecant theta cosecant theta. Here this sine theta by cot theta minus cosecant theta symbol would be here plus. So if you take it to another side, this becomes minus. So that would be your how much? Sine theta by cot theta minus cosecant theta equal to what? 2. Now you can consider LHS and we can obtain RHS part. Okay. So now your LHS would be this one. This is your LHS and you need to obtain this as RHS. Understood? Now take LHS part now. So your LHS part would be what? Write it down. Sine theta by cot theta plus cosecant theta minus sine theta by cot theta minus cosecant theta. Okay, we took it. Now as we know that sine theta is common there in both the numerator parts, we can take it out. We can take common. Sine theta is taken common. Here 1 is left over in the numerator part by cot theta plus cosecant theta minus 1 by, here also 1 by cot theta minus cosecant theta. Okay, so this would be your expression inside the bracket. If you want to if you want to simplify this expression inside the bracket, then you need to take the LCM. Take it. Sine theta into, see, cot theta minus cosecant theta would be multiplied with 1, then we get cot theta minus cosecant theta, okay, minus of, here cot theta plus cosecant theta should be multiplied with 1. We need to put the bracket because we need to take care of minus symbol. Okay, cot theta plus cosecant theta upon cot theta plus cosecant theta into cot theta minus cosecant theta, right? This is what the simplified expression, after taking LCM. Now do the further simplification. Sine theta is written outside. Now cot theta minus cosecant theta, write it as it is. Cot theta minus cosecant theta. Here multiply with the minus symbol with the terms inside the bracket. Minus into plus minus cot theta. Okay, minus into plus minus cosecant theta. Okay, here this. Now consider denominator part. Here this is in the form of what? Cot theta plus cosecant theta minus cot theta into cot theta minus cosecant theta, which is in the form of what? A plus b into a minus b, which can be written as a square minus b square, which is a standard algebraic formula, right? So we can write here as a square minus b square, where a is cot theta and b is cosecant theta. So therefore a square is cot square theta minus b is cosecant square theta minus b square. Okay, now as you know that here cot theta are having reverse signs, plus and minus, we can cancel them. So what is remained over there? Sine theta into This is minus cosecant theta and minus cosecant theta. So cosecant theta should be added together and we need to put the minus symbol in front of them. So therefore minus 2 cosecant theta by. Now tell me, here this is looking like this seems to be trigonometric identity, but we need to do some small adjustment. Here cot square theta minus cosecant square theta we obtained, but actually we have cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. So in order to obtain cosecant square theta minus cot square theta in the lower part, we need to take common minus, then symbol changes. Here minus cosecant square theta becomes plus cosecant square theta and plus cot square theta will be minus cot square theta. Okay, right. Now tell me, what about this expression value? Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1 or not? It's a third identity of trigonometry. So here we can write, just see, sine theta into, okay, minus, see here minus symbol can be cancelled in both numerator and denominator parts. So minus is cancelled. Now what can we write? Into 2 cosecant theta upon cosecant square theta minus cos square theta value would be 1. As I said before, its value would be 1. Okay, now what can we write here? Sine theta into 2, and cosecant theta can be written as what? Cosecant theta is reciprocal of sine theta, so cosecant theta can be expressed as 1 by sine theta. So here we can write 1 by sine theta, and as you know that here sine theta is there in the numerator and denominator part, we can do cancellation. So what is left over there? 2. I think we obtained our required RHS part, which is required. So here taking LHS, we could obtain RHS successfully, so the problem is finished. But you need to take care of only one thing, that in this problem directly you shouldn't take LHS given as it is. Understood? From here you don't take LHS. After rearrangement of this expression to LHS part, then you take entire this part as LHS and your RHS would be 2, and that you need to obtain 2. Understood? Like this you have to do this one. Understood? Remaining all the portion is very simple, because normal simplification only we have done, no more tricks. Understand? Only the trick here is you need to transfer this term to this side, then you need to consider this entire expression as LHS part, right? This is what the small key point behind this problem. I think you guys would have understood this problem, and if you have any doubts, or if you want to ask anything else, please put them in the comment section. We'll definitely go through the comments and we'll see them.